Hi, let's see how to make broken wheat egg fried upma. Complete healthy dinner. I have chopped 1 big onion, 1 carrot, 3 to 4 beans and 4 green chilies. Half cup grated coconut and 1 egg. Soaked broken wheat for 3 to 4 hours. Just have a look how soft it has become. Heat a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil and add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Adding few curry leaves. Now let's add the chopped onions to it. When the onions become soft, let's add the chopped ginger, green chilies, saute for 2 minutes. Now let's add the chopped vegetables to it. You can also add veggies of your choice. When the veggies are in half boiled state, let's make an egg. Make a space in between and break open the egg. Mixing the yellow and white. Let's not disturb the egg for a minute so that it gets cooked, and then we can mix it with the veggies. Meanwhile, our veggies are also getting cooked. So let's mix up, and now it's time to add our broken wheat to this mixture. After adding our broken wheat, mix it well with the egg and veggies. Add salt as required. The broken wheat which I have used was already soft after soaking for 3 to 4 hours, so I didn't add any water. So while you are cooking the broken wheat, just check if it is cooked well. If it is still hard, you can add water and then cook it. So our broken wheat egg fried upma is ready. We are garnishing it with the grated coconut. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.